We're moving beyond formatting and keywords. Now it's about substance. What your resume says about you. We're talking about scope, about scale, complexity, and impact. The 4 factors that signals value to recruiters and hiring managers. Let's break each one down. The first one is scope. Scope is the range of your responsibilities and operational context. Did you lead a team? Does the team span different functions? Did you manage a process from end to end? Did you handle regional or global coverage? These details give context to what you did. Let's take an example. Instead of saying managed inventory, say something like managed inventory for 3 fulfillment centers across 2 regions. That shows scope. Scope shows the level at which you operated and gives context to your achievement. The next one is scale. Scale is about size. How many people? How much budget? What was the volume? This helps readers to quickly understand the magnitude of your impact. For example, processed 1,200 plus customer returns per month with 98% accuracy. That tells a different story than handled customer returns. If exact figures aren't available, you can estimate conservatively as long as you can defend your estimation. Now, let's talk about complexity. Complexity refers to the number of moving parts or challenges in your work. Were you working cross-functionally or coordinating multiple time zones? Did you manage legacy systems with no documentation, navigating regulatory or compliance requirements? For example, if you say coordinated software rollouts across 4 global teams under tight regulatory constraints, that tells me that this wasn't just a basic project. And lastly, impact. This is the most important part of your resume. It answers the question, what was the result of your work? Did you save time? Did you boost efficiency, drive revenue, improved quality, or did you streamline a process? Use metrics and percentages to make your achievements tangible and clear. Even if you do not have a hard number, describe the results qualitatively. Instead of saying created training materials, say something like developed onboarding content that reduced ramp time for new hires by 30%. There's a difference. You can even lead with impacts to make your experience really pop. So instead of just saying what you did, show what changed because of it. For example, reduced ramp time for new hires by 30% by creating clear onboarding materials. Or say something like improved clarity and consistency of training documents used by over 50 team members. You're leading with impact. Saying something simple like this makes a difference. Instead of saying managed social media campaigns, say I increased Instagram engagement by 45% through strategic content planning and community management. It is a small shift, but it turns a task into a result. And that's what we're looking for in big tech. In closing, together, scope, scale, complexity, and impact transform your resume from a list of tasks to a story of achievement. This is what separates someone who looks like a doer from someone who looks like a leader. In the next lesson, we'll apply these principles to specific bullet point examples and show you how to rewrite your story using our template. See you in the next lesson.